We're very happy to show this collection of Poul Kjærholm's early production, mainly in collaboration with E Kold Christensen. Poul Kjærholm studied at the design school in Copenhagen under Hans Wegner, the master cabinet maker and designer in wood. It's interesting that Poul Kjærholm chose flat steel rather than wood in his early productions, but the same sense, treating the flat steel with the delicacy that a wood cabinet maker would approach his material. His examination piece, the PK25, was a chair in solid steel that had been cut and bent and then covered in natural woven rope. Even though it's actually heavy in construction, the feeling is of light and the fact that you can see through it. Poul Kjærholm preferred to think of himself as a furniture architect because he was so aware of the impact that furniture has on an architectural space. That once you place this furniture in this space, it becomes actually a place. Poul Kjærholm was very specific in the choice of the materials and the finishes of his furniture, from these matted steel bases that didn't reflect light in the same way but created a warm feeling, to the natural materials that he crowned these bases with. Kjærholm always worked with matted marbles rather than shiny surfaces. He believed that it was really important to be able to feel the quality of the material and the transparency of the manufacture. It's interesting to see the influences that other great designers of the 20th century had on Poul Kjærholm. For example, if you look at Mies van der Rohe and his tubular steel, you can see how this definitely was a strong influence on Kjærholm, but he adapted flat steel as his material. You can see he was transparent in showing all the visible connections, the screws where they went in. He didn't try and hide these things, but made them part of the design.